Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today my topic is Super General brand front loader washing machine 7 kg. It is SGW 74501NV. This machine having problem actually after selecting any option within few minutes is water not taken to the machine. Also is showing error E10 error. You can see this is the error message. Now I'm going to repair this machine. After that I will show you how to repair, what we can do. This is actually related with the inlet valve, inlet hose, water line, everything we have to check. After that only we can recognize exactly what is the problem. Anyway, we will go to the next step and we will try to repair this. First of all, we have to remove the back cover, back screws for the top cover removing. And now we can take it out. Now I am going to remove the water connection here. I already closed the water supply. You can see dear friends. Now we will remove here filter. Also it's little bit blocked, but it should come to the water. Anyway, we will check the inlet valve continuity. We will remove here connection. I remove already here water connection, inlet valve connection. Now we can check the continuity. Now we will check first this one. You can see dear friends, it's showing continuity here. Resistance is showing, you can see here its continuity showing, it is 4 ohms. It's showing, that means that inlet valve is okay. But this one we can check. Yes my dear, it's not showing. You can see here, it's not showing. This is the problem with this machine. It's not showing. That means one inlet valve already got damaged. Because of that, it's showing error E10 error message. That means it is problem with the water valve. Now we have to remove this one inlet valve here. Now I'm going to remove the inlet valve. Now I will take it out. I have to remove the clamp here. Now slowly we have to remove here. It's very careful. It's while taking out. Here it's like that. Again I will check which one is not working. This is okay. This one not showing. That means this one already got damage, defect. You can see dear friends, it is already, it's damaged. That means it is crack came. That means this continuity, that means this winding already gone, it's damaged. You can see here. Now I can replace another one also, but I have to show the customer. Because of that I am replacing new one. After that our problem will get resolved. This one you can see here, This is 220, 240, 50, 60 hertz. That means this is the AC current, not the DC current. And I'm going to fix the same. This is new one. 220, 240, 50, 60 hertz. That means we can fix without any problem for this. This is the new. This is old one. Now I replace the inlet valve. After that our problem will get resolved. I will fix first hose here. Also clamp. Now it's okay. Now I can fix here. We have to tie it properly. Now it's okay, dear friends. Now I will give the power connection again. Now it's okay. Now again I will give the water connection. And we will start the machine. Now I'm given already power connection. Also I'm selecting 15 minutes quick wash. You can see I will start the machine. Door already got lock here. Yes, my dear. You can see here it is water taken into the machine now. Now machine will run continuously without showing any error message. Before within few minutes is showing E10 error, also water not taken to the machine. Now you know the problem, it is already got damage inlet valve. After replacing new inlet valve, machine is running well. If it is you are occurring the same issue at your home by yourself also, you can resolve this type of issue. Now it's not showing, nowhere to show again the same error message. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you.